Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the Karuno brand. It's an Amazon brand and it's all about their beige checkered sweater, which comes in all sorts of colors, but this is the color I got. So it's a turtleneck and it's quite large. Like if my neck is it's like 3 times my neck, which will give it a nice like loppy shape. It's off the shoulders a little bit on both sides. This is what the sleeve looks like. On the bottom, it's the same as the sleeves. And then front and back are exactly the same. Everything is really stretchy, super soft fabric. The color is really beautiful as well. In the front, it's a little bit shorter than in the back, as you can see. And there's a little slit on the side. So let me go ahead and try it on so you can see what it looks like. So it's just straight up and down. Over here, as I was saying, it's longer in the back. As you can see, a little bit off the shoulder. Really comfortable, really loose. The neck you can do in different, you can fold it down to make it a little bit tighter. Or you can have it more loppy. That. All sorts of different little shapes that you can do. I prefer it a little bit higher like that. You can pair some cute jewelry with it. But in general, just a super comfortable, match it with some nice jeans. White leggings I would probably do it with. And then probably just iron out these wrinkles. Super, super stretchy, great fabric. So for more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!